What kind of beer is it?
Keystone.
Whoa, look at that. Hey, I thought we ran in gas class. Is that a gas class?
Well, it says right on it, setting a land speed record on roller skates, but we set a land speed record with Keystone Light.
John, get over there. I cut you out.
You guys are right. Pretty much right. Here, it's almost 200 or 300.
Justin's dying for a beer. That's the last two we got.
It tastes great. Better not be.